Hi, everyone. I'm Mary Lyle, Director of Education, and I enlisted the aid of Kim Clonch, our curator. And what we're going to show you today is how to make an origami rocket. Okay, here it is, finished. And it coincides with our exhibit, which is all about Snoopy going to the moon as a mascot for NASA. So you can see that we have a Snoopy. We also have a little image of Charlie Brown. And Charlie Brown and Snoopy did go to the moon, and they went on Apollo 10. And we've got lots of interesting information about that on our website and also on Facebook. So if you want to learn more about that and their mission, then please visit our website. For our take and make, you will get a packet that looks like this. First of all, your template, and you're going to have two different images that you can do. And the first thing you're going to do is cut around. So just be as accurate as possible.
Don't cut it wonky.
So I have some other little directional lines that you can see that are all crisscrossing. Kim has it held up there. You also in your packet are going to have some instructions. We will go through the instructions, and then you will have two soda straws, bending kind. You don't want the regular kind that will put a little crimp in it. You want this kind, and that's so the air will flow freely through it. We're going to start with number 1, which was cut out each square. Number 2, you're going to fold the paper along the blue line. You have different colored lines. Kim has it all done. Take it and flatten it out. And you're going to now fold it along the red line.
And then you make a triangle by folding it on the orange line.
You straighten it out, and you are going to fold it again on the green line. You got everything folded.
Yes.
This is sort of the tricky part. It's not that tricky. But what you want to do is, you see where Snoopy is and where USA is? They go on the inside. You'll have a blue line right there, and that blue dotted line will appear on the outside. They and Snoopy are on the inside. So you take one side, you're going to fold it so it meets that center blue line. Fold it to the inside. And once again, you're going to fold the other side to the inside, and you try to flatten it out as best as possible. So it looks like that. Then what you're going to do is, once again, you're going to take the edge of it and fold it to the inside again. So you folded it twice to the inside. So it looks like that. The next thing that you want to do is you are going to make a little stand. So you're going to fold each one of these lower wings or edges, just like Kim did, okay? And you're going to fold them out. And you're going to flip it, and you're going to repeat what you did on the other side. So take it, fold that big triangle to the center to meet the blue line. Now, I love to do origami. I think it's so much fun, and it's so clever. I don't know who thinks of these things. To me, it's always amazing when you see the final finished product. And guess what? Doesn't cost very much. And the results can be amazing. You put your finger, okay, in the middle, and you plump it out just a bit. And you'll see that you have Snoopy or Charlie Brown on one side, USA on the other side. You're going to take your straw, make sure you bend it like an L. And as Kim, she's got a pipe. Okay?
Yes.
And this is what you can do that's fun. And that's why you have 2 of them. So you can give it to a friend, and you have a competition about who can launch their rocket higher. We're going to count down. 3, 2, 1. And I got a whole bunch of these because I was practicing. Look at this. I got a whole squadron, a whole bunch of rockets.
Fleet.
I
They're fleet.
have a plethora.
Oh.
So it's a lot of fun. You've got Snoopy, you've got Charlie Brown, and this is a fun project to do. You can see it didn't take that much time. The only tool you need right here are your scissors. We will supply everything else in your packet.
You have to supply the breath from your lungs and your scissors.
But it is a lot of fun and it's sort of addicting. Okay, here we go again.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Okay, countdown. 3, 2, 1, blast off. And I hope you enjoy our crafts. And if you have any questions, just send us an email. Check out our website for some other interesting projects and videos. We have a lot of great resources. We wish we were open. We're trying to follow the COVID safe protocols. So we're doing this instead. So please take advantage. Come out and see us for the take and make.
Yes, ma'am. Y'all have fun and we miss you.
A lot.
Bye.